These are dominoes. You will notice that each domino has two sides. On the sides we see dots, and we refer to these as pips. One of the ways in which I can use the dominoes is to help me make equations. In this case, I want to make an equation that equals a certain amount, and I'm going to use order of operations to do that. So first I'm going to choose two dominoes. I'm going to take this one and I'm going to take this one. So here I have the digits 4, 6, 8, and 7. Now what I want to do is roll a die, and that will be the answer that I want to get to. So here I have rolled a 9. Now what I'm going to do is think about how I can combine these numbers, some or all of them, in order to make an equation that will equal 9. I'm thinking I'm going to take the 4 and the 6, and I am going to arrange them this way. So if I put them in parentheses, that's going to equal 2. And now I'm going to put it to the power of 3, because 2 to the power of 3 gives me 8. Now I'm going to add another 8, and then I'm going to subtract the 7. So let's check. 6 subtract 4 is 2. 2 to the power of 3 is 8. Then if I add another 8, that's going to give me 16. And if I subtract 7, that should give me 9. So I am going to write out all of the steps. Yes, 16 subtract 7 gives me 9. So here is one way in which I can use the dominoes and a die in order to create an equation. I've used my order of operations to get to the answer.